Hello and welcome to our video on exploring the trip of the rich area surge. In the context of the taxi industry, a surge area typically refers to a location with higher demand and potentially greater economic influence. Surge pricing within these areas allows taxi services to maximize revenue by adjusting fares based on the increased demand in locations with higher economic influence. This strategy helps maintain a balance between the supply of available taxis and the heightened demand of the surge area. For taxi services, it's crucial to balance leveraging surge pricing for revenue optimization while maintaining customer satisfaction. Clear communication, transparency, and ethical practices are essential to managing surge pricing effectively. When setting up a surge area in your platform, you'll first go to your admin panel and select a specific city. After setting your surge areas, you'll need to set a multiplier for the pricing. Then, you can apply this multiplier on your website as well as apps. Let's explore the surge pricing feature in affluent areas and its application. Within the admin panel, you can access business information and select the option to set pricing. From there, you can choose the specific city and set the pricing accordingly. Further details will be available for adjustment. Further, you'll see the California city listed. Here, you can define the rich area surge multiplier, which is first done by adding zones. After defining these zones, you can apply rich area surge pricing. You'll notice the areas such as the Finca Theater, Maclay Home, and Marion Bottom Conservation. Here you can set the multipliers for these rich areas surge. Then, this multiplier is applied to the base price, which can then be viewed in the estimated price, thus creating our surge pricing for affluent areas. To create the trip for rich area surge pricing, click the plus button, add your pickup address, which is your rich area surge address, and then set your destination address. After clicking the continue button, you'll see that the pricing will be applied, including the base fare, distance fare, time fare, and cancellation fees. This fare estimate also displays your surge pricing multiplier. Once you're ready to proceed, click the close button. Next, you can select the payment mode cash or card, whatever suits your preference. You'll also be able to see the ETA for the nearest driver and the option to confirm your ride with surge pricing if applicable. If you're not comfortable with the surge price, you have the option to cancel. Should you choose to accept the surge pricing, simply click the confirm button. Then, if you wish to opt for a fixed rate fare, which is defined in our estimated pricing, click the yes button to confirm. Once you've confirmed the fixed rate for your trip, drivers in the vicinity will receive the tip request. You'll be shown the driver who accepts your trip, and once the ride begins, you'll receive a notification. Upon the driver's arrival at your pickup location, we can also inform the you. Next, swipe to start your journey. Here, our journey begins. In the user app, users can access the driver details, including the driver's name and vehicle information. Likewise, the driver app will show user details like username and user ratings. Both parties will be able to communicate via chat and call. Finally, to conclude your trip, swipe to indicate the trip's end, and if necessary, you can add any tolls to the fare. First, add the toll amount and apply it. Afterwards, you're able to view all the details of your trip, specifically the fixed trip. It's important to note that we're not dealing with a rich search area trip here. This section details all the applied pricing information, including the fixed rate, tax, toll amount, miscellaneous fees, city tax, and payment options, be it cash or card. Additionally, we ensure that all essential information is available on the driver's app. This includes the fixed rate, toll amount, tax, user and driver miscellaneous fees, city taxes for both user and driver, and payment method preferences. When you're ready to submit your invoice, simply click the right button, and remember that users are prompted to rate the driver, and vice versa. To complete your trip, especially if it's within a reached search area, click the Submit button. We trust you understand how the process works, including the creation of your reached area search trip, which is also set up from the admin panel. This is where you set the reach areas, apply a multiplier on pricing, and then apply those prices on our app or website. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you have a clear understanding of the flow of our rate area search. We appreciate your time and value your attention. Thank you once again for watching.